Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to comment using bold, italics or strike through on YouTube. So if you also want to comment using bold, italics or strike through on YouTube, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open YouTube. You can open YouTube in application or browser. After you open the YouTube, click on the video that you want to comment. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option for add a comment. All you have to do is click on it. Now if you want to comment using bold, all you have to do is type in asterisk. Now enter your comment. Now again end the comment with asterisk. Now here you'll be able to see the option for comment. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here your comment is bold. Now if you want to comment using italics, what you have to do is type in underscore. Type in your comment. Now end the comment with underscore. Now click on the comment option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your comment is italics. Now if you want to comment using strike through, all you have to do is type in dash. Now type in your comment. Now end the comment with dash. Now click on the comment option that you can see right over here. Now your comment has strike through. So that is how you comment using bold, italics or strike through on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.